So this is the video in which I am going to explain to you how to draw a sphere. And spheres are something that maybe you already know how to draw, but they're a series of circles or ovals, as you can see me drawing at the current time. And when I'm drawing that line in the middle, what I'm showing you is that on the inside it's rather similar to a bowl. And sometimes I'm even messing up on this. By the way, I'm just doing narration over this that I already had made. So I'm also going to grab the airbrush here and show you that there is a side where the light comes in on, and the light side is, I'm sure some of you who've ever been in art class or seen an art drawing book, you're seeing that there is a direction in which the light comes from that will turn and it will get darker on the other side, and I'm just basically blocking that in to show you. So if you want to follow along with this, I would definitely suggest that you do so as I sit here and clean up the lines for that. I remember recording this a while ago, and so I'm following along as I see, and then right there I'm explaining where the light is. So when you're drawing your circles and spheres, you can see me drawing that second line in, and that second line is kind of a crosshair. That crosshair can represent anything from a face, it could represent the torso, and it shows you basically what direction things are going in. And so let me see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to show that I am probably drawing this way. So if I'm pointing in the other direction, I want that line to curve, and I want it to coincide with the edge of the sphere. So I'm showing from straight, and it's turned to the left side, and now it's going to turn to the right side, or right side and left side, depending on how you're looking at it. So this is just a basic lecture on how to draw the sphere. And I really want to say that the best way to look at this is just to follow along, and where you see the crosshairs line up, that's the direction in which the sphere or the object is facing. That's just a shorthand artist's way of showing the direction. Now that could be the direction of upcoming will be the rib cage, or it could be the pelvis can be depicted like that. And I don't know why I did I don't know why I did those two square or circles. And so the next lecture, I'm going to stop talking now, and you can pretty much just follow along and see what I'm doing. What I'm going to do here is line up a few things, and I'm going to start cutting these ovals in half. And this is a lot of your basic training where I'm just showing the variety of spheres and circles and ovals. And I'm emphasizing the lines over here. So I really just want you to follow along. And just take a look at it and see how I'm dividing these in half, and I am emphasizing the fact that they are in half, and these are going to be cut across, and I know that I'm going to do some at the bottom that are cut from the bottom. So the best way to do this is for you to grab a piece of paper and just draw a series of spheres. And right where you see I'm erasing it on top, and once you erase that on top, you have like this bowl shape that can represent a great many of things. I usually use this bowl shape to help you explain the pelvis area, and you'll start to see that when you see me draw. And this time I'm just going to cut it long ways. So I'm going to stop talking here and let you guys just follow along and keep practicing.